All right, what's going on, good folks? Today what we have is an elite head strap that was sent to me. This is manufactured by a company called SiWiQu, or SiWiQu maybe. Anyway, this was sent to me to try it out. I will leave a link in the descriptions to where this is at on Amazon. So, pretty simple boxing we have here. We have that thing, I don't know what that is yet. Got our little manual here. So, let us put this back in here like this. I always like to do that, keep everything, you know, where it's supposed to be. And this is what you get. Get this strap here, which I'm not quite sure what the purpose of this is yet, unless, yes I do know what it's for. This goes over the top. Of course. I say of course, but it's not like that was common sense or anything. So anyway, I'm gonna set these off to the side. In fact, let's check this thing out here. All right, we got the adjustable knob here. Adjust that until it gets to the right head size. This is gonna go over these where the speakers and things lie at. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a head strap. Let's see. This feels nice. It's pretty soft, which is, yep, it's comparable to what I got on the headset right now. And let's see, I think this is Velcroed on here. Yep. So this pad comes off of here. Let's see, does this one come off as well? Yep. Now that's nice. So in case eventually if this begins to wear out, anything like that, assumably you can get in contact with the company and replace that. It's pretty good. Slide these back in here, or ain't no sliding going on. Stick them back in there, right? Okay. There we go. So now you have your instruction manual. I don't think we'll too much really need that though. So one thing, I've never taken these off before, so let's get on over here and see what we can do. I actually do not know how these come off. So I'm gonna have to investigate that and come back. Okay, now, so what we wanna do is, if you look at this thing, you can see where the speaker assembly and the actual strap are different. You see that crease there? That's where you want to remove. So be very careful not to mess up your speaker, which is actually part of the unit, and just remove the strap like so. So again, carefully remove that. So that's the side parts. Then we have the top here, which, hold up, I think I might have to take this part off to get that out. Yep, no problemo. All right, there we go. Now we know what this black strap is for, right? Now, if you see this little slot there, I'm just gonna slide it up through there, making sure the Velcro part is coming back that way. And attach it like so. Then replace all this face port stuff. And we have this part. So instead of snapping out, this new thing kind of slides in there. So I'm gonna line those up on this side and line those up on the other side and slide it all the way up. Making sure not to force anything. With electronics, for the most part, if you start having to force something, you're gonna break something. All right, so we're almost there. Last part here, I'm gonna feed this under here. I guess this goes under here. Nah, this probably should go over the top. Let's see. I'm gonna get down here like this. So when I have this on my head, okay, need to adjust it a little bit. Okay, yeah, I do want that through there. Okay. So we want to take this through here, and then again, oh, slide it like so. I might have to adjust it some when I put it back on my head. However, put my face in there. Sliding down, bam, and now I'm gonna adjust this strap here so that it's, you know, more so resting on my head, right, like that, and then get it in there. All right, now on first feel, I know it's kind of weird sitting here with this on. I can't see anything at all. But on first feel, it is more comfortable. I like the pad, because the pad up on my head feels the way that it does around my eyes and everything, and it feels more snug. Like I'm not as scared to move my head quickly. Whereas with this, it felt like it was kind of juggling around on my face and things like that. So this is pretty good to go. Yep. So first thoughts, I like it. Yep. This is the, okay. Hold on, wait. Use a little bit of common sense there. Bam. Oh. So the Elite strap by SiWiQu, first impressions, I like it. So we'll see how it does after a little while of gaming. But like I said, I will leave a link in the description box for this product in case you want to check it out for yourself, grab it. But my first thoughts is it's comfortable. I like that these pads come off. The firmness that it secures my head with is a plus, but it's not feeling like it's squeezing my skull or anything like that. So yeah, I'll give it the thumbs up from first impressions. Now, granted, I haven't used any of the other head straps, so I don't really have anything to compare it to. except for this. So I would say it's an improvement over this, definitely. And I like the way it looks too. Looks a little cooler. So there we go. If this helped you out in making the decision to consider this product, then please give me a like or consider subscribing to the channel, because hey, DR reviews everything. Everything that I get, I'm gonna give you a little taste of it so that you can make a more informed decision about whether or not you wanna try this product out for yourself. So thanks for watching.